Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a web browser for your phones. First, you want to start off by heading to Chrome and searching App Inventor 2. You go to MIT App Inventor 2. Should be the first link. If not, search for that one specifically. Now I do have a few of these web browsers made. So what you want to do is click on Start New Project. Project name. Name mine Web Browser 2. It's going to be my new project. And that screen that you just seen pop up, this one right here, is what it should look like if you've done it correctly. What you want to do next is head over to Layout and click on Horizontal Arrangement. Then you want to click on Width all the way to the right of the screen and click on Fill Parent and OK. It should be a rectangular box throughout the whole screen on the example layout. Then you want to do button, drag 3 buttons over there. Click on button 1, rename this to back button. Button 2, rename this to forward button. Button 3, you want to name this to home. Now go to the back button where it says text down here. I'm going to put a less than sign or greater than, I don't know. My bad. Forward button, want to do a greater than sign or less than, I don't know which one it is. And for this one, you want to click H. So then it should look like this on the phone, the sample. Then you want to grab a text box, drag it in up here, have it as text box, rename this to Earl box. So it will be easier when we're doing the coding. Then you're going to grab one more button, rename this to Go. Also do this text, don't forget, and Go. So then it should look like this at the top layout. No, we're not done. You want to grab Web Viewer, add this there, then go to Screen 1. You want to scroll down to where it says Scrollable. Like you see I'm scrolling on this screen, you want that to be available for your web browser so you can scroll through all the search results. And then you want to head over to Blocks. Now this part you really need to pay attention because this is where all the coding and stuff comes in. So you really want to make sure you're paying attention at this part. So then you want to click on back button, drag the first one where it says click. Once you have that down, click on Web Viewer where it says call Web Viewer 1, go back. You want to drag that into this box. Do that with forward button. Well, it's not showing. Oh, there we go. Forward button, Web Viewer 1, go forward. Home, same thing. Click home. Okay, this needs to move. Web Viewer, let's X this out. Web Viewer 1, Web Viewer 1, go home. Then for Go, you want to do that one before Earl box. For Go, you want don't grab click, grab got focus. And then what you want to do is Web Viewer. Then grab this big purple one, says call Web Viewer 1, go to Earl. And for Earl, you want to click on Earl box. And scroll through until you find Earl box text to specify where you go. And then for Earl box, you want to scroll all the way back up here, go to got focus, and go to Web Viewer, I'm sure. And once you're at Web Viewer, 1 second, let me do something real quick. So when I'm back, I had to go up with groceries real quick. Where was I? Oh, okay. Sorry. Was I on web viewer? Okay. When it says when EarlBox.Vocus due, click back on EarlBox. And what it says set EarlBox. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Set EarlBox to text. Once you did this step, go to text right here, this pink square. You see it? Then you want to scroll up to this empty square piece. Drag this to there to specify. Then this part's important because this web viewer won't search anything if www isn't in it. So what you want to do is type in http ://www. Once you have that step down, you should be good to go. Go back to designer. For the color for this, you can have it as anything really. You could upload images for the buttons, but that takes a lot of work. So not really, you just gotta go find the button and stuff. Then once you're done, you could either add a screen and make a whole another one of these again, but that'd be so much work. So then what you want to do is at this top where it says build, click on that. You can either save it to your computer or save it to your phone, would be the easier one, so it can instantly install if you're doing it on your phone. But if you save it to your computer, you have that file forever and could transfer it to phones. I've tried it on a phone, it actually works. What you have to remember is that nothing will search if you don't have www. in the search. And don't forget to go to screen 1. What's happening? Screen 1. Make sure you have scrollable turned on, so the screen scrollable, or you'd be stuck with that first 4 results that you have showed up. So make sure scrollable is on. Most important, make sure you have the coding correct. I'll leave it on the screen for about 10 seconds so you can get this down. Make sure you have it correct. Alright, don't forget, for the last one, add http ://www. Then go to designer and then click on build. I'm going to save it to my computer because that's what I'm doing it on. If you're doing it on your phone, just do that. This says file complete, click on it and click install app. You will see this icon up here at the top left corner where my mouse is. And save. This process takes a while if you're on computer. And if this video helped you, drop a like on the video and subscribe. Goodbye.